Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will need to put about u equals to arctanx of x. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to the s over 1 plus s squared. dv equals to 1 plus s squared ds. The integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. Now, we have u multiplied by v. And we have arctanx of s minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So we have this one multiplied by this one. So we have the integration. S plus s to the power of 3 over 3 over 1 plus s squared ds. Now I will concentrate about this one. So I will multiply by number 3 on numerator and denominator. Next, we have s and s. We can do about factorization. So I will put s in here. So number 3 will go in here. Now, I will arrange a little bit. So number 3, that's about 1 plus number 2. And now we will have about s multiplied by this one and s multiplied by number 2. And now we will have about 2 integrals in here. The first one, and the second one. So this one divided by this one. Oh, sorry, I just tried wrong. So this one divided by this one, you got about s. Now the integration of s, we will have about s squared over 2. The integration of this one in here, we will have about ln of the absolute value of 1 plus s squared. And we put about c. Now this one, that's about s squared over 6. Now we return back to the first one in here. This integration, that's about this one. And now we put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.